how to ollie. An ollie. So what you do, these are the steps. You pop, and then you drag your foot. And what I like to do when I teach people is I tell them to bend their back leg so the back of it kind of like follows. And you kind of have like a little hop to it. It's basically jumping. And yeah, it all leads to that. So I know what you're thinking. When you ollie, that's a lot to remember. The pop, drag, bend leg, hop. Just don't think of it like steps. Kind of just like, you know, think of it all, but just do it in one motion, you know? It doesn't have to be high. The better you get, bend your back leg more and it'll get higher eventually.
From this point of view, when you're trying to ollie, you want your feet about right here. I do it about halfway in the board, maybe a little farther back from the bolts. So then you hop down like this and then drag your foot about up there to the bolts. And then as Bridger said, your back leg, you want it to bend up a little bit and you kind of do a little jump. And it's all one motion. So you don't want to like do pop and then like drag too late. That's not gonna work. It's just gotta be all one thing. Okay, so that's pretty much how to ollie.
Keep practicing.
That's all we know. And if that tutorial sucked, go visit Aaron Cairo, you know, my boy. He's the one who taught me how to ollie. So yeah, we'll see you later then.